everybody is at home and getting bored. Everybody thinks that the time is not passing. For passing time, people make different random shapes and do designs in it. But do you know how we can make those random shapes automatically? With the help of a machine and without the use of our hands? If not, let me tell you how. And that machine is known as a scribbler. By anybody for drawing random lines, random shapes and random patterns. Today, we will make the scribbler in 3 easy simple steps. The first step is making the circuit, second step is arranging the circuit and third step is arranging the sketch pens. So before wasting our time, let's get started. But before that, let's have a look at the materials. For making the scribbler, we will need a circuit. So for that, we will need a battery, a DC motor which is easily available in the market, a snapper, a loose wire and a switch. Now for making the machine, we will need a plastic cup. Make sure that the plastic cup should be strong enough to withstand the weight of the battery and the DC motor. We will also need 3 sketch pens. You can use same color or different color sketch pens. You can also use pencils, pens or markers. You will also need an eraser. Instead of an eraser, you can also use a plastic bottle cap or a piece of clay. Here, I am using an eraser because it has the perfect density for our scribbler machine. We will also need a 2-way tape, a pair of scissors and a simple tape. So let's start this by making the first step. The first step is making the circuit. Take all your circuit materials. Now then take a snapper. Take the red wire of the snapper and attach it in a pattern like this. The red wire to the switch, the black wire to the motor and the loose wire joining one part of the motor and one part of the switch like this. We go to the second step. For the second step, take a plastic cup and put it upside down. Now, place your battery on one of the sides like this way. Then take your motor and place it onto the other side like this way. And then take your switch and place it right over here. We press all these 3 things together so that they stay in place. Now take your eraser and then press it and push it into the motor's rod. And with this, our second step is complete. For step 3, take all your sketch pens, pencils or markers. Now we take one of the sketch pen and then arrange it and keep it over here. You have to make sure that each and every sketch pen which you keep have to be of the same height. And then we secure it with a sellotape tightly. With this, our third step is complete and our scribbler is ready. You can see it is standing perfectly. So now as you can see that our scribbler is ready and it can even stand. You can see that I have taken off the caps of the sketch pens like over here. So I'm going to place it on the paper and we are going to test it. Wow, the scribbler is working perfectly.